Good morning, Jack. It's time to wake up.
Good morning. I'm so excited. I don't have time for that.
First, I wash my face, then I brush my teeth.
Who wants eggs for breakfast today?
Thanks, Dad. I'll eat on the way.
Jack, you should sit and eat properly.
Got it. I'm ready to go.
Let me check books, pencils, snack, water bottle.
Where's my lunchbox? I need it.
It's right here, Jack. Don't forget it this time.
Got it. Thanks, Mom. Bye.
These shoes feel a little weird today.
Jack, your shoes are on the wrong feet.
It doesn't matter. I need to go.
Jack, wait. You forgot to say goodbye.
I can't be late. See you later. Whoa, that was close. He didn't need anything today. I'm gonna be first at school.
Here I am, first one here.
Wait, where's my lunch?
Oh no, I forgot my lunch at home.
Jack, what's wrong? You look worried.
I forgot my lunch at home, Miss Cindy.
Don't worry, Jack. We'll figure it out.
I'm so hungry. I can't keep up today. Where did I put my pencil? Here, Jack, you can use mine. Thank you. You're the best. I'm too tired to play today.
May I sit with you, Jack? Jack, can I tell you something important?
Okay, Miss Cindy.
Let's talk about how we start our mornings. Who can tell me their morning routine?
I wake up, wash my face, brush my teeth.
I just get dressed and run.
A good routine helps your whole day go well.
Maybe that's why my day is hard. Miss Cindy, why do routines matter so much?
Because each step helps your body and mind get ready. Your tummy agrees with me. Can Jack share your lunch today?
Sure. Here you go, Jack.
This tastes so good. Thank you.
Now let's learn the 7 steps together. Can you say the steps, Jack?
Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, and
That's okay. Let me write them for you. Now let's make it into a song.
Wake up, on time to take up. Wake up, on time every day. Wash, brush, eat, pack, shoes, goodbye. I know this now. Wake up, wash, brush. Wake up, wash, brush.
I feel much better now. Tomorrow, I'll do it the right way. Today, I will do it right. Today, I will do it right.
Jack, you're awake.
Good morning, Mom. Nice and clean. Breakfast smells great. Thank you, Dad.
Jack, these eggs are yummy.
Today I feel so good. I'm full. That was great. Books, pencils, lunchbox. All set. Left on left, right on right. Mom, Dad, where are you? Goodbye. I love you all. What a beautiful morning. Good morning, Miss Cindy. Look, I didn't forget my lunch. What? The clock isn't working. The sun is high. It's probably around 7. I can do this fast and right. Wait! Wait for me!
I almost missed the bus.
There are 7 steps to a good morning.
Oh no, it's raining. I forgot my umbrella.
A plastic bag. It works.
That's so creative, Jack.
The answer is breakfast.
1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going.
How long should you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
A good morning routine helps me learn better.
Class, I have an announcement. Jack is our star student today.
Jack, you're the star student. I'm so proud.
Mom, Dad, you're here.
We're so proud of you, Jack.
Today was the best day ever. Wake up, wash face, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, pack bag.
Wake up, on time every day. Morning routine helps us find our way.
Another great morning. 1, wash face. 2, brush teeth. 3, get dressed. This is so good. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Books, check. Pencils, check. Lunchbox, check.
Goodbye. I love you. Have a great day. I love this morning.
I know the answer.
1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going. Yes, 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 I know.
Jack is our star student.
Star student, Jack!
My brother is the star student.
Mom, Dad, how are you here?
We're so proud of you, Jack.
Today was absolutely perfect.
First, wake up. Second, wash face. Third, brush teeth.
Morning routine, it helps us every day.
Wake up, wash face, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, pack bag, say goodbye.
Morning routine, we do it right.
Every single day.
I learned something important today. Taking time in the morning makes everything better.
You're right, Jack. Taking time is important.
Wake up, on time every day. Morning routine lights our way.
Look at the stars. They're beautiful too.
Wake up, on time every day.